Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by plugging the phone into a charger and waiting at least 15 minutes so low power isn't masquerading as a freeze. Once charging, perform a force restart using the appropriate combo, usually power plus volume down or volume up, because that reboots the system without data loss. If it's hot, remove the case and any SD or SIM cards to let it cool and eliminate peripheral failures. Make sure you hold the buttons for 10-20 seconds. This ensures the hardware reset actually triggers. Once the force restart doesn't fix it, boot into safe mode to check if a third-party app is the culprit. You do this by holding power, then long pressing power off and selecting safe mode, because safe mode loads only system apps. If performance improves, uninstall recent apps. If not, boot into recovery mode and clear the cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files that can freeze the UI. Make sure to follow your device-specific key combo so you don't accidentally trigger a factory reset. If safe mode and cache clearing haven't resolved the freeze, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort because it restores system files to known good state. If the freeze persists after reset, use the manufacturer's PC flashing or recovery tools to reinstall firmware, which addresses deeper software corruption. If the problem still occurs, you likely have a hardware fault. Contact an authorized repair center and provide model, serial, and IMEI so they can diagnose components. One tip:
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.